Hello, Word. I'm Alex, your friendly guide to the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today, we're diving into a word that embodies strength and fearlessness: bold. It's a B2 level adjective meaning showing courage or confidence. So, what does it mean to be bold? Simply put, it means being brave, confident, and willing to take risks. Think of someone who stands up for what they believe in, even when it's unpopular. That's bold. It can also describe something that's visually striking or attention-grabbing, like a bold color choice in fashion or design. Let's look at how we use bold in everyday language. We might say, she made a bold decision to quit her job and travel the world. Or, he gave a bold speech that inspired everyone in the audience. The word bold conveys a sense of daring and conviction. Now, let's explore some synonyms for bold. One synonym is courageous. For example, the firefighter was courageous when he ran into the burning building to save the child. Another synonym is brave. The brave knight faced the dragon without fear. A third synonym could be daring. The daring stunt performer attempted a dangerous motorcycle jump. We can also use fearless as a synonym. She was fearless in her pursuit of justice. One more synonym is intrepid. The intrepid explorers ventured into uncharted territory. See how each of these words carries a similar meaning to bold, but with slightly different nuances? Now, let's flip the coin and look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of bold. The first antonym is timid. For example, the little mouse was too timid to come out of its hole. Another antonym is shy. He was too shy to ask her to dance. We can also use fearful as an antonym. She was fearful of speaking in public. A fourth antonym would be cowardly. The cowardly soldier deserted his post during the battle. Finally, consider hesitant. She was hesitant to accept the job offer because it required relocating. Notice how these words convey a lack of courage and confidence, directly contrasting with bold. So, how can you use bold in your daily conversations? Imagine you're complimenting someone's new hairstyle. Instead of just saying, "I like your hair," you could say, "That's a bold haircut. It really suits you." Or, if someone shares an ambitious plan with you, you might respond with, "That's a bold idea. I admire your ambition." You can also describe a bold flavor in food, like a strong, spicy sauce. Here are some more examples of bold in sentences and phrases. The company took a bold step by investing in new technology. She wore a bold red dress to the party. He had the bold audacity to ask for a raise after only 1 month on the job. The artist used bold brushstrokes to create a powerful image. It was a bold move to challenge the CEO's decision. She made a bold statement with her fashion choices. The project required a bold vision and innovative thinking. He approached the situation with a bold and confident attitude. The bold colors in the painting immediately caught my eye. To recap, bold is an adjective that describes someone or something showing courage, confidence, or striking appearance. We explored synonyms like courageous, brave, daring, fearless, and intrepid. We also examined antonyms such as timid, shy, fearful, cowardly, and hesitant. Remember, bold isn't just about being loud or aggressive. It's about having the strength and conviction to express yourself and pursue your goals. Thank you for joining me on Hello, Word. I hope you found this episode insightful and helpful. Your support means the world to me. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your positive feedback helps others discover the show and learn new words. Now, I have a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word bold and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words. Bye for now.